So we have adoption and we also have fostering. People often mistake the two to be one and same thing, but it is not. While adoption is the process of creating a parent-child relationship between the adopted child and the adoptive parent, fostering, on the other hand, is merely giving parental care to a child who is not naturally or legally the child of the foster parent. You just see someone's child, you just see a child, maybe a destitute child, an abandoned child. I'm going to make another video talking in details people who can foster, and then you take in that child, give that child all the care. You can even give that child some entitlements, but you need to understand that when it has to do with fostering, that child is not really entitled to so many things like an adopted child. Yes, that doesn't mean that you go and foster a child and be abusing the child. No, that's not what I mean. What I mean is that while in adoption, the moment you adopt a child, the relationship between that child and the natural parent is severed. When I say severed, it means no form of entitlement any longer. The child is now the child of the adoptive parents. All the privileges, all the entitlements that you would have given to your own natural child, the adopted child will have to get it. But it is not so in fostering. If you foster a child, the relationship between that child and the parents, the natural parents, is still intact. The relationship is not severed. I know there are some people that wouldn't even know that something like fostering exists, but it does. Fostering and adoption are similar in some things when it has to do with who can foster, when it has to do with restrictions, when it has to do with persons to be fostered. They are similar. Fostering is similar to adoption when it has to do with some of those things. But the difference really lies in the fact that relationship is not severed in the case of fostering as adoption. So like I said, I'm going to make another detailed video on fostering. If you watch to this point and you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please click on the subscribe button, like, share, comment, turn on the notification bell so as to be notified each time I upload a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, you know I always love you. Thank you for always stopping by, and thank you for watching. See you in my next video.